क्या बोलते हैं यार इसको, स्ट्रिप्स। हे भगवान, फट के हाथ में आ गई बे। Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Digdarshini. So today's video is going to be another super interesting and a cool video because today we are going to do a shopping haul video. I mean, who doesn't love shopping haul? I never get bored of shopping haul videos. So let's do one after quite a long time because मुझे याद है लास्ट टाइम मैंने Shein का शॉपिंग हॉल वीडियो किया था, बट उसके बाद मैंने कभी शॉपिंग हॉल किया ही नहीं है। बेसिकली टुडेज वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी H&M एंड मिंत्रा मिक्स हॉल, क्योंकि मैंने नोटिस किया एंड रियलाइज किया कि मेरे वार्डरोब में जितने सारे कपड़े हैं वो मोस्टली 90% सारा H&M से ही है। एंड अभी कुछ दिन पहले भी मैंने शॉपिंग की थी एंड इतने सारे एक्यूमुलेट हो गए थे, तो आई थॉट कि लेट्स सिट डाउन एंड शो इट टू यू गाइज बिकॉज व्हाई नॉट। एंड शॉपिंग हॉल काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होते हैं। बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग ऑफ, इफ यू आर सीइंग दिस फेस फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम, सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई channel and please press the bell notification. You will be notified every time I put a new video on my YouTube channel. And please follow me on Instagram as well. You will be not disappointed and you will not regret following me up there. So without blabbering much, let's get started. So in this haul, I'm going to show you basics from H&M and a few jackets from Myntra. Why jackets? If you think, I will be talking about it in some time. So let's get started with the first outfit. This is this mustard yellow color jacket. Oh my gosh, now I need to talk about it, why I bought this, because I live in Hyderabad and Hyderabad में बिल्कुल भी ठंड नहीं पड़ती and इसके लायक तो बिल्कुल भी ठंड नहीं पड़ती. So you might be thinking कि ये मैंने क्यों खरीदा है. Okay, let's now talk about it. So in few days I will be in the Himalayas. I'm super excited, but I will be revealing more about it later on Instagram maybe. So stay tuned and follow me there. Okay, so उसके लिए obviously in Himalayas it's snowing right now and snow के लिए contrasting colors red, blue, yellow होते हैं. So red और blue I think मेरे पास है already थे. So this time I opted for yellow. Yellow looks super cool with contrast to snow. Whole my life I always wanted a puffer jacket for myself because I've seen people wearing puffer jacket and they look really cool. So I always wanted for myself one, but you know जहाँ पे मैं रहती हूँ हैदराबाद में there is not enough cold. यहाँ पे बिल्कुल ठंडी नहीं पड़ती है. So ऐसा सिचुएशन आया नहीं कि हम लोग जैकेट्स पहने. हम लोग का बस गुजारा एक स्वेटर में हो जाता है पूरा विंटर. So you know कभी चांस ही नहीं मिला कोई स्वेटर या फिर जैकेट्स खरीदने को. But now that I am going on Himalayas, definitely I need to hoard some jackets as well. So I thought now it's the time to get my hands on this pure beauty. As it fits like a dream on me. The neck design is also good. Also the best thing is यहाँ पे fox for I mean कुछ भी. So यहाँ पे डिटेलिंग भी दी गई है फर की, if you can see. नेक पे जिप डिटेलिंग भी दी गई है which is I think very cool. So cozy, so warm. Also इसका जो टेम्परेचर रेजिस्टेंस है गाइज, इट कैन easily resist to 0 degree Celsius. The material is nylon and polyester mix. यहाँ पे पॉकेट की डिटेलिंग भी दी गई है if you can see. Also the best thing is कि यहाँ पे अंदर भी zip is very smooth and यहाँ पे अंदर भी पॉकेट दिया गया है यहाँ पे. So this jacket is from Fort Collins and I must tell you guys that if you are looking for any padded jacket like this or any heavy material jacket like this, so please go to Fort Collins. They have amazing collection and I think इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा colors भी थे, so you should check their collection out. And this was priced at 2,750 rupees, but I got it for 2,300 rupees, which I think it's a lightning deal for me. So I'm super happy with this one. So the next product is also a jacket and it is this pink colored padded puffer jacket. Again it is a crop puffer jacket. ये उतना warm नहीं है जितना कि येलो वाला था. It's very light in weight, इतना heavy नहीं है जितना येलो वाला था. Also it was priced at 3,699 and it is from Must and Harbor. I think Must and Harbor is one company जिसके पास बहुत सारे options होते हैं, चाहे वो sweaters हो, चाहे jackets हो, चाहे crop tops हो, चाहे jeans हो. I think they have very diversity of collection. So this is made up of full polyester की lining भी दी गई है. Also इसका जो neck है वो mock neck है which will definitely keep me very warm. And I think crop jackets are very in trend right now and I totally love it. Okay, so the next product is by far I think one of the best purchases from whole haul. Alright, so it is this lavender color hoodie. Oh god, look at it, how pretty is this. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज़ द लैवेंडर कलर जो कि पूरे इंस्टाग्राम में ट्रेंड कर रहा है. एक तो पिस्ता ग्रीन देख रही हूँ मैं, हर जगह चले जा रहा है, एंड एक दूसरा कलर जो है लैवेंडर. इट हैज टेकन द फैशन इंडस्ट्री बाय स्टॉर्म एंड आई couldn't stop myself from buying this. This product is worth buying, and first of all इसका कलर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Second, it's so cute. It's fuzzy, it's warm. I think सबको पता होगा H&M में भले ही कलेक्शन हो या ना हो, बट उनकी क्वालिटी A1 रहती है. I bought this again for the trip purpose because यहाँ पे तो इतनी भी ठंड नहीं पड़ती कि ये भी मैं पहन सकूँ. अंदर जो है इसका काफ़ी, if you can see that flannel type material. Flannel material is one type of material which keeps you very warm and cozy and comfy throughout the day. In winters, it has a cute hoodie, and this was for $14.99. I think this is again a lightning deal. Oh wait, I need to tell you that कि ये आराम से आप मार्च, अप्रैल या फिर फरवरी वाले स्प्रिंग महीने में पहन सकते हो if you stay in Delhi or any extreme conditions में आप रहते हो. So the next product is not any sweater or jacket particularly, but it's a sweatshirt kind of thing, and it is this white colored wide sweatshirt or sweater kind of thing, if you can say that. It's kimono kind of thing. You can see the bat sleeves here, and ये मैंने बहुत बार पहन रखा है अपने वीडियो में, and I totally love it. Exactly इस तरीके का चीज़ मैं हैदराबाद में पहन सकती हूँ in winters because it is not that warm. White makes you look very sophisticated, very clean, very stylish. White color never goes out of style. It's kind of those sweatshirt जब आपको कुछ मन नहीं करता है पहनने को, और अगर बस आपको कुछ ढीला ढाला सा पहनना हो, बस ये डाल लो एंड उसके नीचे जीन्स पहन लो. You are equally out to set fire. The best part about these type of sweatshirts is that you can pair this with anything in bottom. Like you can pair this with trousers, jeans, skirts. Also because it is very wide and broad, it looks very bossy and stylish. So yeah. So the next product is, yeah, you can go and judge my white hair here, which is flashing on your face. Never mind. So it is this powder pink or blush pink or baby pink, whatever you want to call it. It is this cute little cropped sweatshirt which I love to bits. Literally ये मैंने 1000 बार पहन लिया. ये मैंने शायद 1-2 महीने पहले ही लिया था. It's again from H&M and I got it for 1500 rupees. उसी प्राइस रेंज में मैं सारा कुछ खरीदती हूँ H&M से. इसको पहनने के बाद एकदम बॉसी एंड बैड एस वाली फीलिंग आती है. तो लेट मी क्लैरिफाई दैट इफ यू थिंक इट्स वेरी वार्म और समथिंग, इट्स 100% कॉटन. बिल्कुल भी वार्म नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट एनी अदर टॉप और एनी अदर टी. इट्स जस्ट कि ये स्वेटशर्ट के फॉर्म में है एंड इट्स क्रॉप. Also I think ऐसे wide और broad कपड़ों में where your waistline is seen, I think it's very appealing to me. So my next purchase is a bottom, and I got this pair of trousers from H&M. I totally swoon over this. I totally love this style because first of all ये paper bag style है which has recently came in trend 2-3 सालों से, and I think paper bag style really fit you so well. They are very flattering on your body because of course this is very much high waisted, so it tucks your belly in. It's non-stretchable. These days I'm loving non-stretchable things, and H&M has the best jeans collection. They have pure denim, 100% made of cotton. I love this jeans to bits, and काफ़ी अच्छे से इनका डार्ट एंड प्लीट्स रहता है. Very clean designing, very clean stitching. High waisted के लिए buttons दिए गए हैं which is very stylish. Also the thing I love the most about this pair of trouser is the belt which comes with it, and which hugs you even more perfectly. Eager to show you guys because I am swooning over this product. It is this black और ग्रे जीन्स. सो ये कलर एग्जैक्टली वही कलर है विच आई ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड. फाउंड दिस परफेक्ट पेयर ऑफ जीन्स इन H&M. अगेन एज आई सेड कि H&M की जीन्स कलेक्शन is the best by far. This was retailed at 2000 rupees. And the fit, oh my god, the quality, the fit, the material, everything is top notch. They make the purest denim, 100% cotton, exactly how I wanted. It's a high waist jeans with single button here. Also इसकी length भी perfect है मेरे लिए. It comes till my ankle, and high waist jeans always tend to make you look very much taller or longer than you probably are, so I always opt for high waist jeans. And yeah, so my next purchase from H&M is this red colored crop top. So I love this top. मुझे याद भी नहीं है कि मैंने कितनी बार पहना है and कितने photographs में पहना है, क्योंकि ये बहुत पुराना टॉप है, but I still thought to show you guys because I still love it, and this is still one of my favorite crop tops from H&M. इसको पहनने के बाद ना बहुत वैलेंटाइन एंड रोमांटिक सी फीलिंग आ जाती है, मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रोमांटिक रेड कलर. आई लव दिस चेरी रेड कलर so much, and it's the perfect crop top. It also has this knot detailing here, and इसका जो material है काफ़ी warm है. It's hosiery kind of material. If you know hosiery, what is hosiery? It fits me like a glove, guys. Literally, it comes with this long sleeves, which is quite stretchy. You can see it's quite stretchy. ये चूड़ी sleeves वाला effect देता है यहाँ पे. So you can pair top like these with something A-line, क्योंकि मैं जब ये top पहनती हूँ, ये top वैसे ही बहुत ज़्यादा tight है, so I wear this top with my favorite A-line glitter skirt from Forever 21, because ये already बहुत tight है, and if you wear something which is not very hugging and which is very flowy, it kind of balances out the whole thing. So that's why if you wear something like this very tight and very body hugging top, so consider wearing something which is very flowy and not that hugging to your body as bottoms. So my next purchase is not from H&M, but it's quite dressy, so I wanted to show you guys, and it's a new purchase. So it's this net or mesh top from Cover Story, and which has whole polka dots all over this top. Look at the sleeves, it is cinched at the elbow here, and I kind of like the design of this top. Also it is cinched at the waist, I think, which looks very flattering. It comes with this cami, white cami. It's not white but it's like cream and मिल्की वाइट. बहुत ज़्यादा क्यूट है, बहुत ज़्यादा एडोरेबल लगता है, एंड काफ़ी ड्रेसी लगता है अगर आपको कुछ पहनने का मन नहीं है, बट स्टिल यू वांट टू लुक सैसी एंड सेक्सी एट द सेम टाइम. सो यू कैन ऑप्ट फॉर टॉप्स लाइक दिस, एंड विच एलिवेट्स एंड एनहांसेस योर लुक विद इन seconds. They have ruffle details over here on the neck, which also gives you a feel of Victorian era, which is very fantasizing. So I instantly fell in love with this top because of this neckline. And the best thing about such tops कि आप ये बहुत सारे ways में style कर सकते हो. You can wear it under the cami, or you can wear it over the cami. You can wear it in so many ways. Next purchase from H&M is this white color top again. This is this regular top. The best thing about this top is the scallop neck detailing. I always wanted something with the scallop neck detailing, and I finally got my hands on this one. This was on sale. Also इसमें bell sleeves भी है. Sleeves में भी scallop detailing दी गई है, which is very stylish and cool. And इसका material, guys, इसका material काफ़ी fine है. It's pure polyester, which I love it. As I said, it's a regular top. I kind of don't like its length. The length is somewhat weird. ना ये crop है, ना ये long है. वो बीच में जो आता है, तो मुझे वो थोड़ा अनफ्लैटरिंग सा लगता है, बट स्टिल वी कैन मैनेज विद दिस. एंड आई लव दैट इसमें डार्ट दी गई है एट द चेस्ट एरिया, and it fits so well, as you can see. So yeah, so the next purchase from H&M is this छोटू सा crop top. I know कि आपको लग रहा हो कि कोई बच्चे का top है, but it fits me so well. The material of this top is quite nice. It's those knitted types. It's stretchable, as you can see. ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा stretchable है. I got it for 499, नहीं sorry 799 का था. So I got it for 799, which is I think fair deal for top like this. I totally love it. And ये टॉप आप तब पहन सकते हो जब आपको कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा होगा कि मेरे को क्या पहनना है क्या नहीं पहनना है. ड्रेसियर पहनूँ या फिर सिंपल पहनूँ, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या कलर पहनूँ. So then you can go something like this, because ये it can go with probably anything in your wardrobe as bottom. So every girl should hold such tops. So the next purchase from H&M is similar to the previous purchase. It is also a top, and काफ़ी सिमिलर है पिछले वाले से, बट द ओनली थिंग इज इट हैज स्ट्राइप्स एंड आई लव 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 स्ट्राइप्स बिकॉज आई एम वेरी पिटाइड एंड आई हैव अ स्मॉल फिगर. दे क्रिएट एन इल्यूजन ऑफ broader chest. It was also for $7.99 as far as I remember. So yeah. So the second last purchase, okay, now we are coming to an end because I am quite exhausted by now. It is this basic but not so basic tee. Look at the glitter detail here, guys. It is so freaking good, isn't it? So ये top आप कोई भी जीन्स कोई भी स्कर्ट के नीचे पहन सकते हो. इट लुक्स सो फ्लैटरिंग. आई लव इट. आई प्रॉब्ली वेयर दिस विथ ऑल द ब्लू जीन्स बिकॉज वाइट टी एंड ब्लू जीन्स never go out of style. So yeah. चन्ना मेरे ओ पिया क्या है ओ पिया. भाई बहुत सर दर्द हो गया, मुझे खत्म करना है. चलो. Okay, so the last purchase from H&M is this. क्या बोलते हैं यार उसको, स्ट्रिप्स. My last purchases from H&M are these two camis. Let me show you one by one. So this one is this peach pink or beige color cami top. Oh my gosh, I've seen this all over the internet, and you can layer a jacket or you can layer a shrug over it. Also you can pair this with so many different type of bottoms. These look almost good with everything, be it joggers, be it jeans, be it trousers, be it skirts. It looks so flattering and appealing with every bottom or every body type in fact. And I think every girl should own these type of camisoles because बहुत ही बेसिक है येट बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड स्टेपल है. बहुत ज़्यादा स्टेटमेंट है ये, हर किसी के पास होना ही चाहिए ये चीज़ें. एंड yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below which top or jacket or sweater or sweatshirt is your favorite and you would like to buy one. And if you liked it or enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care, spread love and bye.